So, how big is my present?
Baby, you see, the thing is, but...
So you forgot?
I didn't forget. It's just that what happened was...
Don't try to lie to me, brother man.
I'm not lying, but...
I will keep this, and you will only get it when I get my gift.
But baby... Please stop it.
Give me my books. I hope my work is done.
Why wouldn't it be?
Hey man, don't talk to me like that.
I will talk to you in any way that I want to talk to you.
Siko, don't walk while I'm trying to talk to you.
Asanda, stop acting like a small boy.
I am not a boy. Nobody will call me a boy. I am a man.
You think?
Maak hierdie gemors skoon. En maak seker dat niemand hiervan uitvind nie.
Amen. Take him away.
Sergeant, got the powder?
Sorry, man. I only have the green stuff.
Don, how much?
15 rounds.
Give me two.
Don't worry, little one. You can sleep with me.
The next time you hit a girl, make sure you're married to her.
You know, when you called me a boy, I behaved like a boy. And if I didn't hit you, then I would have been a man. And as a man, I humbly ask for your forgiveness.
Don't take it.
One day, Asanda. One day.